Hey, what's up? Welcome back to another video and a view into Huck's World. And if you notice, people, it's been Casual Tuesday. I've been giving you casual watch faces today, but check it out. They are free, right? So with that being said, let's check out this watch face. This one here is called Lineup. Now, this is a simple but yet unique looking analog watch face. You're gonna get your date, you're gonna get your step info down at the bottom. Very simplistic, but yet nice. Now, in the AOD mode, you are pretty much gonna get the same look. It's just gonna be dimmed down a little bit. But for the most part, a casual watch face for a work week, I think this one to do. All right, you all, that's it for this quick video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.